Hello everyone, welcome back to today's trading session with Golden Girl. Hi Babinka, welcome back my friend. Oh, I love your avatar, my friend. What a lovely kitten. Alright, so how are you? How are you, my friend? I hope that all of you had a great weekend. Yeah, with your family and your friends. Welcome back. Yeah, let's interact to me. Yeah. A few minutes before we start our live stream signal today. How's your trading result on today's Asian and London session? How was it? All right, as you can see, yeah, on 1 hour chart, now gold price gradually got the recover from 51.21. Yeah, and in today's early Asian session, the market opened a gap up, and that is the factor. Yeah, that's the factor that support gold with a strong bullish momentum. Okay, so it's not actually a gap, but there were 3 consecutive bullish candles. All right, that is the starting for a strong bullish momentum in today's early Asian session, right? Another signal for us to realize that this bullish trend is continue with the previous one, yeah, the previous candle in 1 hour time frame. That's ended the New York session. Market ended with, yeah, the bullish one. Even though it's small, but you can see that this is the signal. Yeah, the signal that the market will support for the bullish trend when the market open today. All right, you see the signal. Market started, the market ended with a pin bar, yeah, bullish pin bar, right? Long lower wick and tiny upper wick. Okay, so we will find recover signal, right? No problem. Stop loss is a part of the game as long as you are follow strictly. Yeah, you are following strictly to discipline and risk management lesson. I hope that you can follow VIP signal closely and do not miss any signal. All right. The more signal you are in, yeah, the more winning rate it can protect it. It can be protected. So now we're waiting for price retrace. Yeah, waiting for price retrace before heading to the current uptrend. Okay, you see that price retest around 51.22 to 21. And now it stopped when the bearish momentum stopped. And you can see that the very strong bullish candle appears and So far, we are waiting for the retracement before we enter to a new buy position. There's a lower resistance zone. Yeah, that gold price is heading to. The first one is around the current area, 61 to 62. That's why we do not FOMO to the current price zone. It's better to wait below breakout. Yeah, breakout area. Around 58 to 56. Okay, this is gonna be our buy zone. Breakout. Stop loss. Yes, stop loss should be set lower this candle wicks a little bit. Yeah, this candle wicks is so I set the stop loss lower around 52. Yeah, to avoid liquidity sweep. Right, and target will be the same formula. All right, game set, and this gonna be a gift. Yeah, for everyone joining my live stream early today. All right, we had the first entry. Hang on tight. If you're holding any entry around 57, you can keep it. And if you enter around 58, yeah, just exit. Yeah, exit the bad entry. Keep the good one. That is how we trade. Yeah, when there's a lot of entry belong to our entry zone. When you enter any scalping signal, right, just try to set a stop loss as fast as you can and spend your time to watch your trading platform. Price is just moving around 58 area, and it's time for you to exit the bad entry. Keep the good one only around 57. All right, this signal is running around 20 pips. 20 pips. Let's move into 1 minute time frame. All right, to see what is going on in detail. Even though that we're in the overlapping time between the London to New York session, but gold is always contained. Yeah, gold always contains surprising for everyone, especially scalpers like us. So our mission, yeah, is set a stop loss and follow risk management rule tightly. Okay, so Robin Card, did you enter for this trade already, my friend? Do you enter? Anyone watching my live stream? I wonder if you entered this signal or not, my friend. You see that it's got the reaction, yeah, at the bullish area. And EMA 200, sorry, EMA 34 is acting like dynamic support zone. All right, good luck, everyone. And like I instruct you, yeah, you should exit bad entry and remain the good one to help reduce your pressure to your account and your trading psychology. This is the way to help you trading easier. In 1 minute time frame, you see that this is the BOS area. Alright, it's heading up. Yeah, 30 pips for everyone. Congratulations for everyone joining my live stream today so on time. Yeah, we had the first victory signal. 30 pips. Hi, Joe William. Hi, George. Alright, so you entered the signal already, right? And now it's reversed back to our entry. If anyone late, yeah, you can consider to enter small lot to get in. Alright, small lot if you want to re-enter, okay? Because this signal, yeah, already got the bullish reaction when it touched to this support zone. We will wait for the next entry around 56. Yeah, we are watching trading view in 1 hour time frame. 1 minute time frame. So you can see the body of the candle is kind of wide. But no worries. Yeah, gold price is still around our entry. When price reverse, yeah, when price has the bullish reverse, you should exit the bad entry. Wow, the bearish momentum was very strong. And below here we had trading with high volatility. Yeah, high trading volume around here. 53, around 53 to 54. Alright, so you should exit it. Yeah. We should exit it because now the bearish momentum was very strong and it's break down from this support zone already. Let's see, EMA 89. We're working for the buyers. Ten-second left. 10-second left, and how this will look like. Yeah, we can see that they are struggling between sellers and buyers around 52 is very strong. $52 to $53. Hi, Junior. Welcome back, my friend. All right, now it's touching to EMA 89. And let's see once again, this will help us from hit the stop loss for the second round or not. You see that the market got the powerful bullish momentum when the market entered to the New York session today. Let's see the determination of the market maker will be erased, in today overlapping time or not. All right, anyone, if you enter for this signal, next time. Okay, it's already hit the stop loss for the second round. All right, let's exit it. Don't burden to hold the wrong direction. Yeah, the markets just support us for the short target. Yeah, for short take profit, and now it's reversed to the bearish momentum. I will watch for the further reaction and give you another signal in today's live stream. Okay, so having the reaction with the EMA. Hello, my friend. Oh, sorry, I cannot spell your name because it's in Russian. Yeah, may I know your English name, my friend? Okay, you can see that in 5-minute time frame. Yeah, the bearish momentum was very strong and it's nearly formed a double top pattern. Is it neckline? Yeah, this pattern is not follow to anything we've already learned about it, right? But you can see, it's breakdown 52. Okay, so that just confirm you the bearish momentum, the sellers is temporarily managing the market right now. And below here, we had a lot of liquidity gap, parallel gap below here. So market easily coming back and fill this gap. If it's continue breakdown 43. There could be another buy entry. We should pay attention to is another breakout area around 38. $37 to $39. This one. You can concern when price dropping down this area. Alright, I will type another buy signal for everyone to pay attention to in today's live trading session with Golden Girl. Yeah, the next level. Okay, are you clear? Are you clear for today's strategy? Most of the time, yeah, I trade based on the breakout and breakdown signal. Now you see that price is stuck between two EMA 34 and 89. Yeah, so in the short term, it's gonna be moving sideways a little bit. Anyone dare to sell now? Anyone? Anyone want to hold the sell position right now? Okay, just pushed up. It was continuing for the bearish momentum. Okay, let's wait. Let's wait for below buy signal. Alright, my friends, I would like to interact with you a little bit because I can see that our chat box is kind of quiet. So I wonder if you are holding any position. Are you holding any position at the moment, my friend? Yeah, let's wait. Let's see this bullish momentum will significant or not. Yeah, you can say that it continue get it the bearish rejection, bullish rejection. Oh, you're holding at 24. So may I know that is your buy or sell signal, my friend? Oh, you think today market will touch 5,200? I see. Too big buy. Oh, my friend, I wonder if you still remember the loss that you suffered a few days ago. So, yeah, let's follow to risk management rule. 1 to 2% rule, okay? Don't try to make a big deal. If you want to recover quickly, yeah, just do it step by step, okay? And if it's already hit your target, yeah, if already hit your target, just take partials. Yeah, you see that the market is moving in a range around 51.46 to 51.60. Around $14 price zone. Patience is the key. To buy still holding. Alright, so you take your target is 5200, right? As I understand now. Okay, so anyway, that is just a short reminder for everyone about risk management, the discipline when we trade. Yeah, especially Scalper. Okay, good luck to you. So the market is moving sideways once again. Yeah, it's stuck between two EMA, three EMAs actually. Yeah, EMA 200, 84 and 13, 34 and 89. Markets moving in the narrow range and do not give us any clear direction. Uptrend or downtrend. Yeah, in a 1 minute time frame, everything is not clearly for us to make an analysis. So it's better for us to wait below buy zone, yeah, if it's active. Okay, so if it's breakdown from 46.1 again, I think that was the bearish momentum is very strong at the moment. Our signal will active. Yeah, because around 46 to 43. Yeah, there's a lot of trading volume around here, and that is the station of buyers at most. Okay, so it's heading back to 46. One more time, it's got the bullish support to 48. All right, the narrow range and markets ask us, to be patient continuously. But now, most of the candle is moving below 3 EMA. Yeah, it shows you the short-term bearish momentum. If you watch my live stream long enough, you can realize that the basic, and my favorite trading combo, trading strategy and technical analysis by using EMA, breakout or breakdown signal, and key support or resistance zone. Now, sometimes I will use trend line, and you can draw it easily by this regression trend or identify it by yourself, connecting higher highs and higher lows together, or lower highs or lower lows if the market is in a downtrend. So that is the ways for us to do the strategy and set up the signal. In 1 minute time frame, so you see that pricing is moving like in a roller coaster, but the range is not in high volatility. Yeah, it's not highly volatile like weeks ago. All right, then this is the third time it's got the bearish rejection. A bullish rejection will touch to 50 to 51. And let's see, the fourth time it will break out from 51 or not. Okay, so 46 to 47 will be our key level we need to observe in today's trading session in the short term. Okay, meanwhile waiting for the market moving, let's take a look at the Forex category, Forex factory about any special news that happened this week. Monday 23rd, we will have FOMC member Wallow speaks. All right, nearly more than 1 hour later. And this is just an orange news, so the market will slightly volatile at this time. All right, you need to pay attention to this time frame. And the title will be around the economic outlook and monetary policy. Again. And for the last 3 days, from Wednesday to Friday, you can see that from Wednesday, President Trump speaks, unemployment claims and core PPI, PPI economy data will release. And at the same time, nearly the same time. Okay, then most of the important news will be public in New York time. Yeah, in the New York session. All right, so if you want to trade safely, you can refer my signal in the VIP channel. All right, just moving sideways around 51 to 50 area. Let's see this 1 minute candle, how it will break out from 51 or not. Yeah, 2 EMA is cross, made a crossover. If this 1 minute candle appears with a very strong bullish one, yeah, or engulfing bullish candle, it will confirm the next target will be around 56. And according to Junior's opinion, yeah, maybe gold price will reach 5200 in today's New York session without any surprising and resistant. All right, let's take a look at the BTC USD. Meanwhile, waiting. All right. Yeah, I hope that you still remember for this channel. I draw for you last Friday. Yeah, when the market had a bearish candle. A bearish candle that break down. Yeah, from below trend line. And I told you, yeah, you can consider to enter to the sell position. And obviously you see that BTC dropping down to 66,400 and 400, right? And if anyone follow the sell direction, yeah, you got the significant profits. After that, you see in 1 hour time frame, the bullish momentum appears, yeah, which make BTC price start falling significantly. And then it continue moving sideways around 66K 100 to 68. Yeah, 68K and 700. And this scenario is similar to gold. Similar to gold price moving in today Asian to London session, right? It starts dropping down drastically and recover in the short term. However, you can see the downtrend will continue because 3 EMA ribbons is still lying above the current candlestick. All right, and let's take a look. You can also refer to RSI. Where should I choose the RSI? It's disappear for the RSI. Okay, there you go. Yeah, so far the RSI is still heading down. You can see that it's moving under 50. So obviously for both indicators like RSI and EMA, yeah, it will show us the current downtrend in the short term, and you can enter for sell position once again, and the next target will be 65K and 500. All right, and there was a bullish candle and form liquidity gap. Yeah, like a liquidity gap here. Imbalance between buyers and sellers, so that's why the sellers need to fill this gap before it's heading up to previous uptrend. And you see another factors that is already filled. 3 to third part of 2 bearish momentum. Yeah, 2 candlestick, bearish candlestick, and it's to third way to recover. Compare with this one. All right, so in the short term, like I just did analysis, there are 2 indicators that you can confidently to enter for the sell position, and the target will below this kind of wicks. That is around $65,500 level. Yeah, for the target of sell signal of BTC. And in the long term, to be honest, that is still a lot of factors that prevent BTC recover to the previous rise zone. Yeah, you see that in a 4-hour time frame. Let me delete all of it. In 4-hour time frame, it's still accumulating around the bottom area. And this happened from in the early of February until now, more than 2 weeks. Yeah, more than 2 weeks for these accumulations. So it shows you a very strong explosion when it breaks out from this border. But that's just a matter of time. Yeah, a matter of time. Yeah, you can see that it just break out from below border. Below border, let me check this rise zone. $65,100 level. But this was a bearish trap. Yeah, in 1-hour time frame, 4-hour time frame, you see the bearish momentum is getting quicker. Yeah, was getting quicker when it's dropping down to 64K and 500. Immediately, it reversed back to this rectangle box, yeah, which is the sideways range. Yeah, sideways range of BTC. So in the next few days, it will continue to move in this range, and when it's had another bearish or significant bullish signal, breakout from below or upper level, yeah, especially 71K and 500. All right, you need to pay attention to both price zone area. All right, for your decision upcoming. But in a 1-hour time frame, yeah, as my advice, yeah, my analysis for BTC in the short term, you can enter for the sell position in the short term. There's a lot of factors that support for sellers at the moment. Okay, and I hope that you will get profit when watching my live stream. Okay, this is the below border you need to pay attention to for the upcoming day. Okay, so that's just the brief analysis for BTC, and now let's coming back to gold. This is just keeping moving around and around. All right, it just keep on. One minute candle. Wow, shows you a strong. It's got the bearish bullish retraction around 53, 3 times. All right, it's coming back to the channel. And like I shared with you, our pending order will be buy around 39 to 37, and stop loss will be set at 34. Yeah. So markets moving in a sideways range, and it requires our patience. Uh, 51.48 not touch. I see. Yeah, you can see that this channel in 1 minute time frame markets is just moving around and around this channel, going up when it touched to below border, and when it touched to upper border it's reverse. Yeah, it's reversed down. Okay, so yeah, just set this limit order and cancel it at the end of New York session. Yeah, if it didn't hit. And Junior, if you still have profits from your winning rate, yeah, winning signal, you can take partials to protect your capital and recover your loss. Yeah, to recover your loss when you have profit, yeah, from to winning buy, yeah, to winning buy signal. And because I draw this trend line, yeah, this channel in 1 minute time frame, so that's why we cannot trade. Yeah, the range of this channel is kind of narrowed, you see. And to be honest, it's not a good idea for us to trade scalping in a market moving sideways in a narrow range like this. Okay, we continue to watch for the market heading up, and yeah, let's come back to bigger time frame. Let's pay attention to this gap up. Never forget it. Okay, market can fill this gap from 50.08, 51.08 to 51.20, $12. $12 distant gap up. And you know, market always contains surprising, and the best way we can do is follow strictly to risk management lesson. Yeah, that's why I advise you we should protect your profit when you gain it. Who knows? Yeah, who knows what will happen in today's trading New York session, right? $62, 51.62 is still another important level we need to observe in today's New York session, because this one, that was the starting of the bearish momentum that lasts for more than 1 hour. $62. All right, so we cannot let our guard down, and I hope that gold price will break out from this below trend line, this upper trend line, heading to its previous uptrend. Okay, so anyway, I always remind you for any gap up that the market open, especially in the early Asian session every Monday. So we need to pay attention to this gap up all the time, because market always tend to fill this gap. Okay, but we don't know when. All right, we don't know when it will come back and fill this fair value gap. Oh, sorry, this gap up. And follow me on YouTube to have more lessons to trade safely, right? New York 71.4%. London, okay, such a good winning rate, touch wood. And I hope that you will recover your loss soon. And just keep it. And going up. Okay, so anyone, do you have any question you want to ask me in today's live stream session? There's a few minutes left. I will end today's live stream. Unfortunately, our signal just got 30 pips and then reversed to stop loss. And another pending order is still active. Now, when I live stream again, this was the buy signal. Got immediately significant profit, but this market, I still remember this candle appears when news release last week, last Friday. I told you market always contains surprising, and this was the proof to show that it can had the liquidity hunting. You see it dropping down from 50.63 down to 49.91. 34, yeah, $34, which is more than 300 pips, right? More than 300 pips just in 1 hour. So that's why I advise all of you, we should set the stop loss and to avoid liquidity hunting, to watch out our account, on our determination and our willing to obtain the profit when we trade. Okay, so if I do not receive any question from all you guys, yeah, I would like to end my live stream now. Thank you so much, my friends, for joining my live stream today, and I hope that we had a wonderful time together. Thank you so much, and see you next time. Goodbye. Have a lovely day.